Hello guys, setting up WireGuard VPN on an OpenWRT router allows you to establish a secure or high-speed VPN connection. This guide will walk you through the process step by step, from installing the necessary packages to configuring the VPN and connecting clients. Whether you want to enhance privacy or enable remote access, WireGuard on OpenWRT is a reliable solution. Step 1. Install WireGuard packages. Log into your OpenWRT router. To install WireGuard packages, go to the System, Software menu in the web interface. Next, click Update Lists. Next, find WireGuard and install it. Also install QRcode package. Once the all necessary packages install, reboot the OpenWRT router. Step 2. Create the WireGuard interface. Go to Network, Interfaces in the web interface. Click Add New Interface. Next, enter a name of the interface, then choose WireGuard VPN as the protocol. Click Create Interface. Next, generate new private and public key for your WireGuard interface. Set the listen port. Default is 51820. Next, assign an IP address to WireGuard interface. Next, go to Advanced Settings, then enter Custom DNS address. Click Save. Click Save and Apply. Next, go to Devices. Click Configure on WireGuard interface. Click Save, then click Save and Apply. Step 3. Configure the firewall zone. Go to Network, Firewall. Click Add to create new zone. Set the name of the zone. Next, set the input, output and forward to accept. Check the masquerading. Check the MSS clamping. Next, add your WireGuard and LAN network to covered networks. Next, specify WAN on allow forward to destination zone. Next, specify LAN on allow forward to source zone. Click Save. Click Save and Apply. Step 4. Configure port forwarding. Under the Firewall window, go to Port Forwards. Click Add to create new port forwarding rule. Set the name of the rule. Set the restrict address family to automatic. Set the protocol to TCP/UDP. Set the source zone to WAN. Enter WireGuard port on external port field. Set the destination zone to LAN. In the internal IP address field, enter your WireGuard interface IP address. Enter WireGuard port on internal port field, then click Save. Click Save and Apply. Step 5. Configure peer settings. Go to Network, Interfaces. Click Edit on WireGuard interface. Next, go to Peers tab. Click Add Peer. Set the name of the peer. Next, click Generate New Key Pair. Specify allowed IPs for a single peer. Click Save. Click Save. Click Save and Apply. Next, restart the WireGuard interface. Next, click Edit on WireGuard interface. Click Edit on peer you created. Click Generate Configuration. Next, enter 8.8.8.8 DNS on DNS server field. Open the WireGuard app. Tap the plus button and choose Create from QR code. After scan the QR code, set the VPN connection name. Tap Activate to connect to the VPN. Once the VPN is connected, you will be able to access your local network via the WireGuard tunnel.